Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmond Medlaros, and here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to schedule an email in Gmail. Alright, so this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process guys, and let's go ahead. So ang next step ay open lang natin ang ating Gmail account. So click lang natin itong Chrome browser. And then select lang natin itong Gmail. So dito sa ating Gmail account, so we need to create a new email message. So dito lang sa left side, click mo lang itong compose. And then dito sa new message, so kailangan lang natin maglagay kung saan we send yung email. So lagyan lang tayo. And then yung subject. Alright, and then yung body of our message. Okay, so once nakapag-create ka na kung paano ba natin ito i-schedule send. So dito lang sa baba ay makikita mo dito yung send. And then i-click mo lang itong arrow na to. And then ito yung more send options. Click mo lang yan. And then kailangan mo na select itong schedule send. And then pop-up ito mga kaibigan. So may option dito na pwede natin gawin. Mayroon tatlong option. Pwedeng tomorrow morning. Kung gusto mong i-select ito, tomorrow afternoon, Monday morning. And then pwede ka naman dito mag-select ng desired or option mo na date and time. So click mo lang itong pick date and time. Then ito na siya. So select ka lang dito kung anong date. And then pwede mo naman baguhin kung anong time dito. Alright, so once na set up mo na siya, and then kailangan mo lang select itong schedule send. Okay, and then next, kung paano ba natin makikita yung nagawa nating email na na-schedule. So dito lang sa left side ay makikita mo dito yung schedule. So click mo lang yan. And then open lang natin itong na-create natin. Ito siya, alright. And then next, pwede mo itong i-cancel kapag ayaw mo siya schedule send. So dito lang sa right side, makikita mo dito yung cancel send nito. So click mo lang yan. And then ganun lang po siya kadali mga kaibigan. So na-cancel na yung schedule send na email. Alright? So ganun lang po kasimple kung paano tayo mag-schedule ng email in Gmail. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more real course tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment below. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.